Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. In the recent past, it has been widely circulated through social media that Honorable High Court of Bombay, bench at Aurangabad, gave a verdict wherein it asked the wife to pay maintenance to the husband. భార్యని భర్తకు భరణం ఇవ్వమని కోర్టు చెప్పింది. ఏమిటి అన్యాయం, ఎలా జరిగింది ఏంటి అది ఇదని చాలామంది అడగటం జరిగింది. సో దాని మీదనే ఈ వీడియో చేస్తున్నాను. యాక్చువల్లీ దిస్ జడ్జ్మెంట్ ఈజ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆనరబుల్ జస్టిస్ భారతి డాంగ్రే ఆఫ్ బాంబే హై కోర్ట్ in WP number 2527/2022, decide on 26th February 2022. You can read the case as Bhagyashri Jaiswal versus Jagdish Jaiswal. Of course, lengthy name, shortcut name I have given, right? So this is a case decided under section 25 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Right? When we go to the facts of the case, the marriage of Bhagyashri and Jagdish, it has taken place on 17/4/1992, and subsequently there arose some disputes between them, difference of opinion. Ultimately, she filed a case of divorce, section 13, divorce, and in non-dead court, right? So the non-dead junior civil judge, he has ordered decree for divorce on 17/1/2015. That means almost 17 years or so, 7 years, 18 years their married life, right? It's over. Now, subsequently, this man filed a petition for maintenance under Hindu Marriage Act. Now, the trial court already it has actually allowed his petition and ordered the woman, that is Bhagyashri, to pay rupees 500,000 per month. So thinking that it is just and proper in the circumstances as mentioned by this gentleman. So what he told is, please remember, after marriage only he made her study MA BEd, and actually he has mortgaged his property to prosecute her studies. Ultimately, after becoming a government school teacher, now she wanted to discharge him. Therefore, she filed a case of divorce under cruelty and desertion, which is may not be correct, we don't know. But his pleading is that now, because he has educated her, because he spent a lot of property towards her education, he has become pauper. There is no money with him and he is not able to maintain himself. So therefore, he wanted some permanent alimony or interim maintenance from his wife. The trial court granted, right? So therefore, she approached, what is this? She approached the trial, that is district court. District court, Nanded. Yes, it is also located in Nanded. So they refused to interfere. Now, the second appeal, it has come to the Honorable High Court of the Bombay in the shape of a writ petition. That actually, according to Hindu marriage, in the proposals, husband is supposed to maintain the wife. Husband is supposed to pay maintenance to the wife, but not vice versa. So she filed the writ petition in this connection. And she also stated that this man was running a grocery shop and he is having one auto rickshaw, and therefore he can maintain himself, and actually he has to maintain her. But she cannot ask for the maintenance because already, number one, decree of divorce was granted. Secondly, she is able to maintain herself because of her job. Now the main point is she has to maintain him, she has to pay maintenance to him. So now the court, High Court of Bombay, so they have decided the case mainly on section 24 and 25, maintenance pendant light, and also permanent alimony. So if there is any indigent spouse, maybe wife or maybe husband. So if the spouse seeks the so-called maintenance, definitely at any time subsequent to, this is the most important in section 25, at any time subsequent to, normally the wife says already divorce was granted, you should have asked there, why should he ask for maintenance now? But at any time subsequent thereto, that means it's not just strictly speaking any time. So after, even after the divorce also, it means that. So in view of just and proper conditions, the payment can be, says, received by the husband also due to the change of circumstances. So at the time of decree of divorce, he was able to maintain himself, but now his position has totally changed. Now he cannot maintain himself. So please remember, therefore, section 25, discussing on section 25, the court elaborately stated that yes, the High Court can give divorce or RCJ, restitution of conjugal rights under section 9, or judicial separation under section 10, or divorce under section 13, or mutual consent by divorce under section 13b. So here it is definitely a progressive section. You have to give maintenance. So the teacher, since she is already working as a school teacher, a letter was written to her by the, actually the director of school education was addressed to deduct rupees 5,000 for her, from her salary as a maintenance and to be paid to the husband. Right? Okay? Whether it is a good judgment or bad judgment, I am not here to speak. But since most of you people asked me to tell me about the case, how a wife has to pay maintenance to the husband. Normally, such cases do come, but quite now and then only. So it is one such case. So if you find time, please read the case and enrich your legal knowledge. I do not want to comment whether it is a good judgment or bad judgment. Thank you.